Hello friends, welcome back to Shesinherapron. Okay, today I am just getting some projects done, doing a little bit of spray painting. I'm spray painting a shelf, and Boston's gonna help me. So I found this shelf at the DI for $6, and the DI is like a Goodwill. And I love that it had hooks for my aprons and then able to put stuff on top. So I'm gonna spray paint this white. I'm gonna do a tack coat of spray paint and then spray paint it fully. So, and then we'll get it hung on the wall. So I did a tacky coat, and then I'm gonna let this dry, and then we'll really coat and make it smooth. Okay, we got the first coat on, it's drying, and then Boston is gonna give it a coat, and then I'm gonna move it to the lawn, and we're gonna do another coat. Boston got me a nice glass of cold water.
Water.
And we're waiting for that to dry to do some more coats. So I'm boiling the eggs, and I'm gonna make, there's one for each of us that are here tonight to have dinner, and then we'll have an extra egg to have in the morning. My water is salted and boiling, ready for my pasta. So the pasta that I'd love to have for this salad is, I think it's pronounced ditalini. I'm just gonna cook up the rest of this bag. It all depends on how much you want in your salad, but I'm just gonna use up the rest of that bag. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook until it's done, and then I'll cool it off when it's set to go and give the eggs a few minutes. I'll put the eggs in some water and let them cool down, and then I'll cool off the pasta. Okay, the eggs are in an ice bath. Now I'm gonna drain the pasta. Rinse it in cold water. Just gonna set it here and let it drain and cool until I'm ready to get to it. Okay, I've been thawing out some beef tenderloin. And we're gonna get that cooked up, grilled up.
Finish this one for Shaylee. Okay, Shaylee, this one's getting close.
Yeah.
Good morning, friends. It is Saturday morning, and I am the first one up. Pretty normal, right? For a typical mom thing. Well, we have a busy day today. Our day is pretty much scheduled out. One thing after another today, but that's good. So I'm just getting going on my morning routine. I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna get the kids up because we have a full day ahead of us. So last night I started a load of laundry before I went to bed. So now I'm just gonna get it in the dryer. She's got her set up. She is
Making JoJo.
You're making JoJo.
It's a heart. And after that, I will make that one.
Fun.
Because I love JoJo. And she made. And she met a kangaroo.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
Lucky girl.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December and the sound of the falling snow. The fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt, all we had was time. Hey, do you remember sneaking it out in the night? Me playing the Fender and you singing, oh, it's alright. Beating hearts full of lust, shiny stars over us, just a dream guiding us, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back my life, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt, all we had was time. All we had was time. Every bad thing and every good, I wouldn't change it if I could, 'cause it all led us up to this. Every moment, every kiss,
So this is what we're having for dinner, roasted garlic and herb. This is so easy. Just open the package, dump it in your slow cooker, and let it cook for 4 hours on low, and then you have dinner. So I sprayed down the sides of my crock pot, just throwing the pork in, low for 4 hours. Oh, the pork loin is done and it smells so good. So I have some leftover chopped salad, and we're gonna have that with the pork and some watermelon. Look at that. Oh. You ready, Boston? You ready?